Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Scan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Scan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Scan Wireless. Just glide Scan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Scan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Scan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Scan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Hi, I'm Sam. My team is passionate to make innovative products to improve your daily life. This is our P-Production prototype. Just one more step to make it happen. Share with your friends and come support us on Indiegogo. Thank you. Your support matters.
No matter what you need to create, or which computing device you use, and wherever you may happen to be, you deserve one tool that does everything. No compromises. That's why we created ProPoint. We've created the ultimate ergonomic mouse for designers, power users, and people on the go. It's also a presenter device, and you can even use it on your iPad. The ProPoint was designed from the ground up for productivity and ergonomics. Conventional mice use a claw grip that orientates your hand and wrist in an unnatural position that over time causes pain associated with carpal tunnel and tendinitis. ProPoint's innovative pen grip design aligns your hand and wrist in a more neutral position, providing comfort and precision at your fingertips. Not only is ProPoint the most comfortable mouse in the world, but with our gyro technology, it's also a presenter, meaning it's actually two devices in one. Stand tall with ProPoint in hand and flick the switch to transform it into the best presenter device in the world. Lead your audience through your story with a virtual laser pointer and draw on the screen to highlight what matters most. ProPoint supports a wireless receiver or Bluetooth, which means it can be used on almost any device, even an iPad. Your iPad is great for reading and browsing, but for creating content with a touchscreen and a fat finger, it can be difficult. So we partnered with the best remote desktop app developers in the world, so you can remote into a Windows machine with full mouse control of your desktop apps like Word or Excel. No desk? No problem. If you're sitting on a sofa with your laptop, in a cafe, on a plane, or in a train or bus, this is where ProPoint shines. You can use it right on your laptop palm rest. The USB receiver also charges the mouse. A 30-second rapid charge gives 1 hour use, so you never get caught short. ProPoint not only gives you the full functionality of a 3-button mouse and scroll wheel, but with gyroscope technology, it opens up a new world of tilt gestures for panning and zooming. Unlike other mice that use the scroll wheel for middle mouse clicks, ProPoint has a dedicated third mouse button that's easy to click. You can assign separate functions to all 3 buttons when the device is tilted, so there's actually 6 button actions right at your fingertips. And Office programs like Word and Excel use tilt gestures to effortlessly flick up, down, or even left-right. In Photoshop or Illustrator, flick to the area you need to work on without even pressing a button. For 3D modeling, use tilt gestures to effortlessly rotate, zoom, and pan. Assign shortcuts to the tilt gestures, like app switching and the actions you use the most. ProPoint is the ultimate tool for designers and power users, in the office or on the go. Our goal was to develop one tool that does everything you need on any device with no compromises.
I wanted a good keyboard, and there weren't any out there. I figured, well, how hard could this be? And then we built the best keyboard we possibly could. It's not what you'd expect from a keyboard, but people love it. Creating a keyboard is kind of a weird thing. It's been an obsession. Hi, I'm Jesse Vincent. I'm co-founder and CTO of Keyboardio.
I'm Kaya Decker. I'm the CEO of Keyboardio. I'm also married to Jesse. Most people are typing 8+ hours a day on uncomfortable, flat plastic boxes that are pretty much the same as they were 100 years ago. You deserve something better.
And a musician's not like, well, I'll just take the plastic guitar off the shelf and it'll be fine when I'm staking my entire career and my professional everything on this. Like, they're really thinking about it.
I found a bunch of research about better keyboard layouts, how your hands work, and what actually matters in keyboard design. And every keyboard design in the last 20 years has flat out ignored it. So we built a good keyboard.
The Model 1 is different. It takes some getting used to, but it's worth it.
The Model 1 is that great sort of tool that supports the way you want to work and then gets out of the way and lets you do the kind of work that you couldn't have done without it.
And I love the way my fingertips kind of rest in the keys and how easy the keys are to reach.
We're trying to build a keyboard you'll enjoy using for years. We have this gorgeous maple wood enclosure. We've sculpted the keycaps to guide your fingers to the right keys. And yeah, it lights up. The LEDs that glow from under each key are actually totally customizable and programmable. Originally, the butterfly shape was an accident, but we love it. It feels warm. It feels friendly.
I bring the keyboard out in public and people look at it and say, "Can I touch it?" It's a keyboard. You're supposed to touch it. That's the whole point. Up till now, we've been designing and designing and designing and testing and testing and testing. We've made dozens of prototypes before we liked one enough to call it the Model 1. And now we're going to make a few thousand. I spent most of my career building open source software. It was important to us that we build an amazing product that wasn't going to be locked down. Most products get worse over time. Open products get better.
Because it's open source hardware, I know that I can customize it to my needs and then share those customizations with the community.
You're going to get firmware source code. You're going to get schematics for the electronics. You're going to get a screwdriver. Even if you never touch a line of code, plenty of other typists will. And their work will make your keyboard better.
This is a tool that I can use over the next 20 years of my career because it's going to grow with me.
And so now it's possible for us to come to all of you and share with you what we're making. Thank you for paying attention. It